Search Discovery is honored that our new Apollo Analytics Management System is a finalist for the DAA's New Technology of the Year. I'm excited to tell you about it and provide a quick peek of the product. Having been in the analytics industry for almost 20 years, I can tell you firsthand that managing analytics implementations is hard. First, you need to work with the business to identify what questions they want to answer. Then you have to make sure you architect the right solution design to collect the data. Next, you have to manually construct a data layer that supports the solution design. Then you need to configure variables in your analytics tool. Plus, you need to configure your tag management system. Of course, you have to verify the data being collected is correct. Then you need to create dashboards, reports, metrics, and segments for your end users. And you have to repeat all of this for any new business questions. Worst of all, the tools needed for the preceding steps are completely disconnected. This manual process is the way it's been done for the past 20 years. We think there's a better way. Since you and your end users may not know all the things you can do with your analytics tool, Apollo starts by providing a list of hundreds of business requirements that have come from over 20 years of past analytics implementations. And these can be sliced and diced by site feature or by site vertical. Each Apollo business requirement comes standard with a best practice solution design that is customized to your analytics tool. This means that you and your users have to just simply check off whichever business requirements you want to add to your implementation. Once you've selected business requirements, you will see a list of variables needed to meet those business requirements. Here, you could simply map them to the variables in your specific implementation and save. If you already have an existing implementation, Apollo allows you to import your past implementation and then map it to all of the new elements that we have in Apollo. One of the advantages of using Apollo's business requirements or mapping your existing implementation to Apollo is that Apollo will programmatically build your data layer specification for you to match all of the business requirements you've selected. In addition, Apollo provides a visual SDR that allows you to see a high-level view of your implementation, but that's not all. Since Apollo has everything about your implementation in its relational database, you can build your tag management configuration in a matter of seconds. Through the API, we've instantaneously set up a tag management configuration with all the rules, data elements, and environments we need to implement our solution. But that's not all. Why should we manually configure our administration settings in our analytics tool when Apollo can do it for us automatically? Apollo also provides a library of best practice calculated metrics that could then be pushed into your analytics tool. And finally, Apollo automatically creates dashboards so your users can get access to data as soon as possible. We think Apollo will revolutionize analytics implementations, so please vote for Apollo.